In the early days of radio telescopes, astronomers began probing the sky to match up observed radio waves to their visible sources. However, some of these signals didn't have a match. These were named quasi-stellar radio sources, or quasars, because they seemed to come from a single point, just like a star. Quasars are a product of supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. Most of the dust and gas orbiting the black hole is absorbed, but some of it is shot out at the speed of light, producing jets pointing away from the black hole. This is what the quasar is. Quasars are so bright that they outshine the light of their galaxy by up to thousands of times. This image is of an artist's rendition of a quasar. You can see the two jets coming out of the top and bottom. The swirling light is the galaxy of which the supermassive black hole is the center. These are pictures of real galaxies containing quasars taken from the Hubble Space Telescope. The quasar on the top left is 1.4 billion light-years from Earth. The two images in the center are of galaxies with quasars colliding. Now, quasars are normally found very few and far between, with the typical distance between any two quasars being 100 million light-years. But recently, scientists discovered the first quasar quartet, where four quasars are within 700,000 light-years of each other. You can see them in this image. The odds of this occurring are about 1 in 10 million. Quasars are known to group together, forming huge structures called large quasar groups. In 2013, a team of astronomers identified the largest of these groups, which also happens to be the biggest structure that we know of in the universe. At its longest dimension, this large quasar group is about 4 billion light-years across. It's so large, in fact, that it challenges the cosmological principle which states that the universe, when viewed at sufficiently large scale, looks the same no matter where you are observing it from. Based on this principle, we should not be able to find any structures larger than about 1.2 billion light-years. This large quasar group is more than 3 times larger than that. You can see each of the quasars in this largest group illustrated by a black circle. The red crosses belong to another large quasar group. This image covers an area of about 30 by 24 degrees, so you can get an idea of how massive this structure really is. If you want to learn more about quasars, check out these sources.